Welcome back, guys. The wait is finally over. So let's go take a look at the beautiful Ohana beach house. Come and have a look around. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the window, the curtains, the sofa, the kitchen. I love it so much. You guys have done such a good job. Yeah, thank you.
Just good to see the whole project, come to an end and see it all finished and
seeing what we created.
The vision that we had from the start come to completion.
It looks so much better than what we thought. I can't believe we pulled it off. It was a bit challenging, especially with the first time project, because you can never quite visualise how it's going to turn out.
I'm so proud of what we achieved. Favourite spaces in the house? If I had to choose one, which is hard, I'd probably go with the front veranda, our little bench seat out there. Perfect place for having a coffee in the summer months. Yeah. Beautiful sun on you.
Yeah, we used to sit out there every morning with the sun just coming through.
What's yours?
I'd have to say the arched window with the dragon tree.
Absolutely.
Like, everyone loves that. It's just that feature you see as you walk in.
The best advice I could give to people starting their first time doing a renovation or a build is to do your research. Make sure you've got the right trades that can do the right job and get the finish that you want, and also make sure you know what your selections are going to be before you start. We chose ABI. We found that they had a lot of stuff that we wanted and needed for our build, and a great range of colours that we knew there was definitely something there that would fit into every space that we needed.
Definitely the brass fitted the aesthetic perfectly. Yeah, the colours was just nice and warm, and because we'd chosen all interiors were warm, it's just really set it off. Because everything was left so minimal and neutral, I feel like the brush tapware is just like the jewellery that just finishes it off, dresses up the house.
One of the biggest challenges that I think we faced was trying to get your vision across to the trades, to exactly what you wanted, what you were looking for, without explaining in every detail.
Because we knew what we wanted to use, and it was either due to COVID or the trades getting used to using a certain product, but we wanted to try something else, and we couldn't always do that.
And being newbies too, first timers, we weren't exactly sure about what certain things were called. We knew what we wanted, but to try to explain that to the builder or the tradespeople of exactly how we wanted it was a challenge, I suppose. With experience, that would become easier, no doubt.
So this is our master suite, and we decided to do the bifolds across here so that it was like a big picture frame of Burleigh National Park. You could just see all the greenery. And then I've done the sheer curtains here, just for a bit of filtered sunlight, which is really beautiful. The shower with the skylight, so really beautiful light comes through here. And then we've kept all the colours really nice and warm because we've used the nude colour concrete bath, and that just ties in with the terrazzo beautifully. And then the brass tapware really sets it off, but I've kept everything else quite neutral.
Lots of render in these areas. We've got a nice subtle rendered wall here with bench seating. We had to have bench seating in here just to give us that feel like we're at a cafe or a diner. Again, out to our entertaining area, we've got even more render with a bench seat out here and our barbecue area. A must have, I think, in any Australian home. Love this space out here. We really wanted to create a bit of a tropical resort type feel. Come and take a look at our beautiful guest house through the breezeway here.
We've done a beautiful natural stone crazy paved tile that leads into the guest house.
We've followed through the tiled theme from the main house on the ground floor of the guest house, leading into a nicely designed bathroom with some beautiful tile work.
We've got that beautiful round bath up there which just overlooks the national park. It's a perfect little spot for when we've got family and friends.
They've got their own little getaway.
That's the whole idea of that whole space, feels like you're having a real luxury getaway. I reckon the highlights would be, apart from handover day, is just seeing our vision come to life. It gives me the confidence that anything that we want to do, like a new project, we're going to be able to pull it off. We've actually got something to say. We've actually decided to sell the property. We love the property and it's exactly how we envisioned, but we want to do it all again and do a new project.
Yeah, the house originally, we done this project for a purpose and that purpose has changed, so off to try something new.
I can't wait.